Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Love Cooking. Today we got some bay scallop ceviche for you guys. Hope you enjoy. For this recipe you're going to need about 7 ingredients. You got the bay scallops, you got the tomato juice, you got the roma tomatoes, your limes, your onions, red onions, and your mini cucumbers, and lastly the cilantro. Let's start chopping your veggies. We're gonna start off with the red onions, and yeah, you wanna just chop it pretty small, almost like pico de gallo. You don't wanna have too large chunks in there, just because you're gonna wanna maybe either scoop this up with tortilla chips, and then you're gonna put that aside in a bowl, and then you're gonna do the same thing with your cucumbers as well as your tomatoes. Don't forget to wash your veggies as well, and make sure everything's all clean, especially the cilantro. Sometimes there's a little bit of dirt that gets stuck in the stem, so make sure to soak it. I tend to soak it and wash it thoroughly under cold water, and then just make sure to pat it dry as well. When you're chopping up your veggies, try to be consistent with the size of it. You don't want your veggies all different sizes. For your cilantro, I tend to fold it in half like this, and then kind of just do a rough chop on it. Not too fine. I do like the taste of the stems as well, so it's totally up to you whether or not you want to discard the stems or not, but I tend to keep it. I try not to waste anything. So once you have all your ingredients in the bowl, it's time to add your bay scallops in there. So the ones that I use is frozen, so make sure it's defrosted, washed. Let's roll out these limes. So this is a trick of mine. Just roll it out first before you squeeze it. It'll make the limes nice and soft. Another trick too that I use is when you squeeze it with a fork, because you're gonna get more juices out of there. Once you've squeezed all your limes in there, you want to add half the can of tomato juice and just keep mixing. And I tend to just taste as well, so don't hesitate to do that. From here, I'm going to add my seasoning. So your salt, pepper. So add the rest of your tomato juice and mix very well. Taste as you go. If you need to add more salt or pepper, you go ahead. Do it to your taste. I also added just a little squeeze of tomato ketchup. So that's really up to you. I noticed that a lot of places do this, even the restaurants down in Mexico. It adds a lot of sweetness to it as well. So yeah, totally up to you. You're going to want to put this in the fridge for at least maybe a couple hours, just for everything to marinate. Check this out. This is looking fire. Can't wait to dig in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out, everybody, and thanks for watching.